The legal world is filled with complicated jargon and confusing mixed messages, but one attorney is here to kick the doors wide open so you can make sense of it all. Welcome to Zanes Law's Personal Injury Legal Tips with your host, Doug Zanes.
Hi there, my name is Doug Zanes. I'd like to thank everybody who's listening to this for taking the time to listen to it. This is my podcast. I am a personal injury lawyer. I have offices in both Tucson, Arizona and Phoenix, Arizona. We're a statewide personal injury law firm. We are one of the biggest personal injury law firms in Arizona. And the purpose of this podcast and all the future podcasts that I'm going to do is quite honestly just informational. My goal here is to provide as much information and as much knowledge to everybody out there who is wondering how to work their own personal injury case or what to do if they've been injured, or who is wondering how to address other legal issues that they may have. Because what I intend to do is actually provide you with my email address at the end of this podcast and also within every other podcast that I do. So you can email me or call me, quite honestly, and ask me your questions. I mean, probably the easiest way to do is to send me an email, and I'll actually create a podcast that addresses whatever that legal question is. If I need to bring in, other attorneys or other people who know more about that particular issue or subject than I do, then we can do it that way. But the idea here is to provide you with information about, legal issues that you can then use to either make decisions when it comes to hiring new attorneys or hiring an attorney to help you, or handling whatever the issue is on your own, because the legal system has become very complex and attorneys have become overall extremely expensive. And so this is my way, to try to get information out there that's helpful to people. At Zanes Law, quite honestly, what we believe and our approach has always been this: if a client hires us to represent them, that client is now under our care, our protection, and our guidance. And we treat them that way. We are here to take care of them, to guide them, and to protect them. And so if you have a legal issue and you're not able to have someone like us do that for you, I want to make sure you have the information that you need to take care of yourself, or that you need to find yourself an attorney who can also provide you with the care, the guidance, and the protection that you deserve. And that, quite frankly, is it. I have great passion for what we do for our clients. We do a wonderful job for them. And I think everybody deserves to have somebody take care of them in that same way at a time of need. And typically, when somebody has a significant legal issue, that's a significant time of need. It can be scary for people. Typically, the legal arena is something that most people don't have a lot of contact with and don't know a whole lot about. So please, tune in regularly. I'm going to do a show every week, and I'll put a show out there every week. But more importantly, contact me. You can contact me at Zanes, that's D as in Doug, which is my name, Zanes, Z as in zebra, ANES, at zaneslaw.com, and send me your questions. And I'll create a podcast, and I'll respond to your email, and I'll let you know when to watch for that podcast, when it's going to be posted, and when you're going to be able to find it to get your answer. So that's it for now. This is just an introductory podcast. Thank you for taking the time to listen to us. At Zanes Law, as I said, you're under our care, our guidance, and our protection. And even if you're not a client of ours, but you're tuning in to listen, that's where we're coming from.
We've come to the end of this episode. For more amazing information to help you wade through the confusing legal world, visit zaneslaw.com. We'll see you next time on Zanes Law's Personal Injury Legal Tips.